Hello friends, welcome back to Stocks Invader. So before I reveal the name of the stock that we have shortlisted today, let me share the reasons behind selecting it. We all are aware that one of the most prominent trend of the 21st century is digitalization. Everything around us is slowly transforming into a digital world. India has always been a worldwide leader in IT industry thanks to major IT giants such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro. However, these companies have already given multi-bagger returns in the past. So, as we stand here at the start of 2022, if we could identify such IT companies in advance, then we can definitely try to get multifold returns by investing in them. So in this video, I am going to analyze some new names in the world of IT and technology services. So the first such company in the list is KPIT Technologies. KPIT has already given multi-bagger returns in the past. KPIT was a recommendation given on our channel during August 2021. I have added the video link on the top right corner of this screen. Now if you remember, we had recommended KPIT when it was trading at all-time high level of 340 during August 2021. The stop loss given was 250 and you can see for yourself, this stock has given 125% returns in just 4 months. The next one in the list was Tanla Platforms. Tanla Platforms is a big player when it comes to next generation cloud communication. Again, Tanla Platform was recommended at all-time high level of 1012. I have added the video link on the top right corner of this screen. And you can see for yourself where it is now. Almost 90% move in just 2 months. So all this was mentioned because the stock that we have selected today is also currently trading at all-time high level. NewGen Software is an India-based leading enterprise software company targeting enterprise content service, low-code business automation, and omni-channel customer communication. NewGen has over 550 active clients and despite pandemic, its revenues have significantly kept on rising. Also, it is investing almost 10% of its revenue into the R&D space and further expanding its range of products. As of 31st March 2020, the company has to its credit 44 patent filings, of which 15 patents have been granted in India and US. The company is almost debt-free and has delivered a good profit growth of almost 35% CAGR over the last 5 years. Let us now go to the TradingView platform and analyze the chart. The stock has already given an impulsive move of almost 250% from May 2020 to May 2021. It then went into a consolidation zone for a period of almost 6 months, and this consolidation phase can be broken anytime now. During this entire phase, the price action has formed a classic flag and pole pattern waiting for a breakout. Once the breakout has occurred, you can expect the price to move impulsively, just like the previous impulsive move. We can keep on accumulating this stock in small chunks between 600 and 640 levels with a stop loss of 550 on closing basis. The first target you can expect here is 750 and the next target will be 950. However, since the company is fundamentally good, one can keep it as a long-term investment as well.
All the videos on this channel are purely for knowledge sharing and educational purposes only. The channel will not be responsible for any individual's financial loss. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe Stocks Invader for more such quality content.